Mastery practice question 6. The temperature of a type of metal decreases from 100 degrees Celsius to T degrees Celsius according to this formula after x seconds. So x represents the number of seconds. Calculate the temperature of metal after 5 seconds. Right. So now 5 we have to sub into x. So T is 100, 0.9 power 5. We get 59.049. So this is the temperature after 5 seconds. Right. B. The time taken in seconds for the temperature of metal to decrease from 100 to 80. Okay. So the question says, this is the formula for it to decrease from 100 to T. So now we want to find 100 to 80. That means 80 is our T lah. So we sub the T with 80. Then we need to find x. So you can say 80 is 100 times 0.9 power x. Okay. Now we need to make x the subject. So first we move the 100 over here. We get 80 over 100. 0.9 power x. So let me swap this. 0.9 power x is 80 over 100 is 0.8 lah. Then to bring the x down, both sides we multiply by log 10. You can multiply log base anything, but let's just choose log 10. So x comes down. Actually it comes in front of the log. Okay, let me just show you step by step lah. Okay. So this becomes log 10, 0.9 power x. This becomes log 10, 0.8. Okay, we multiply log so that we can bring the x down. So x log 0.9 is log 0.8. Making x the subject, we'll get log 10, 0.8 over log 10, 0.9, which is 0.9, which is 2.118. Right. So 2.11 after 2.1118 seconds. Yeah, no enough space. Okay, I might just put s lah. So after 2.118 seconds, the temperature drops from 100 to 80 degrees Celsius. Done.